Listen to this.
Sorry for being a mess.
Now listen again.
Sorry for being a mess.
Same voice, same word, same volume. So why does this feel bigger? More emotional, more important, almost sacred. Here's the strange part. Reverb doesn't add new notes. It doesn't change the melody. It doesn't even change the singer. So why does it completely change the feeling? The answer isn't inside your speakers. It's inside your brain. Your brain isn't just listening to sound. It's constantly asking a question. Where is this happening? Listen. Now this. And this. And finally, this. Same clap, different space. That's because reverb is your brain's shortcut for measuring space. Before humans had microphones, before concert halls, before recording studios, the biggest reverbs came from nature. Caves, mountains, massive stone temples, cathedrals. These places had something in common. They were enormous, powerful, and often sacred. For thousands of years, humans prayed inside spaces that echoed for seconds. Priests spoke with long reverberation. Choirs filled giant halls. Every word lingered in the air. Big spaces meant power, and power often meant the divine. Let's prove it. Here's a simple piano chord. Now I'll add just a little reverb. Now, even more. And now, cathedral. Did the notes change? No, only the space changed. This is why movies use reverb so carefully. Dreams have reverb. Memories have reverb. Voices from heaven have reverb. Even ghosts usually have reverb. Because reverb tells your brain something important isn't close anymore. It's somewhere beyond you. Music producers know this instinctively. They don't just use reverb to make sounds prettier. They use it to create distance, intimacy, loneliness, grandeur, wonder. Reverb isn't magic, but it does exploit one of the oldest shortcuts in the human brain. A sound that lasts longer feels like it belongs to a larger space. And larger spaces have always made humans feel smaller. Maybe that's why reverb doesn't just sound beautiful. Sometimes it sounds like heaven.